Hey everybody, I hope that you're having a good Labor Day. It's been unseasonably cool here, which was nice. I got out and pulled a bunch of stuff in the garden. It's weird because you go outside and it's like everything turned brown, like overnight. It's like nature went, oh my gosh, it's September 1st. We're going to take the green out of it. Everything, but that's okay because we all know that Mother Nature is very regenerative, right? So the things that die are reborn in the spring, and that's always a good thing to take into these cooler winter months when we don't get outside to enjoy so much of the sun and warmth, that we're kind of hunkered down inside. Speaking of being hunkered down inside, I have a list of projects that I will be doing this fall and winter. I'm really glad to start putting the list together now, and it involves crochet, it involves painting, it involves making these wonderful necklaces that I've been really into. These are they're already sold and they are being shipped out tomorrow. Thank you, Miss P. I appreciate it. So I wanted to take these out and show them to you. This is how they are packaged. Sorry about the dirty nails. I did wash my hands, but they're still crusty from the dirt. Ain't I lucky? So we've got some things to show you, and then I thought we might do something, but I'm not feeling very dewy today. And so we're just going to do this. Maybe we'll do something tomorrow. So let's get started. These are all necklaces that can be worn a lot of different ways. My idea was to create boho necklaces, which I kind of, super duper love. I love that whole boho kind of vibe. I realize that's a really young girl thing, and at 67, I definitely don't consider myself a young girl. It's really fun to kind of look back at that boho thing and think, I had jeans like that, or I had a shirt like that, or I had a necklace like that, back in the day when you were like 16, 17, 18. It's a very interesting time of life to just kind of look back. So here we go, boho necklace, and I know I can't get it all in here. These are 30 inches long. They contain all kinds of different beads. So there's some glass beads, there's some moonstone right there, there's some glass right here. This is howlite. I really do love howlite. Got a little bit of tiger eye right here, glass, turquoise. This is frosted agate. The necklaces, I wanted them to incorporate lots of beads, lots of color, but still have, that elegance and kind of a theme to them. So there we go with one. These are $20, and that does include shipping in the US of A. They do come in this little bag. That would make a super cool gift. And now that we're talking about fall and winter, we're thinking about gifts. Friends, please choose to purchase from U.S. creators. Sorry. I suck dirt down my throat, too. I can't stress this enough. This is $20, and it's mailed to you. And you're supporting a U.S. creator. You're supporting your own economy. You're supporting someone who, here's what happens when you purchase something from an artist. That artist gets a huge boost of confidence. They experience like this euphoria, right? Because it's something that they thought up in their head, they created, they put it out there, and then it was sold. I think that is just, it's a bit of enchantment to me. This one has lampwork beads here. There's a lampwork. There is a smooth white glass bead. I don't even know what these are. I had a bunch of spare beads, so I thought, well, that'll be fun. This looks like jade. I'm sure it's not like real jade, right? It is a stone. I got this. You remember when when there were, and usually it's like a touristy kind of thing where you can scoop up some stones and put them in a bag, and that's like your little Cersei from your trip. And I think that's what I did. I think that's what I did in North Carolina. This is a really pretty turquoise piece here. These are rather elongated pieces. Another lampwork bead. I really wanted to, like I said, build something that was super cool. So you can wear it long like that. You can kind of double strand it if you want to do that. And then as I was working on these the other day, I thought, oh my gosh, you could like quadruple the whole thing and wear it as a bracelet. And then you've got this arrangement, you might have this arrangement because it's just such an interesting piece. It has all kinds of like different, I love that lampwork bead right there. I think that's so super cool. It has different ways to wear it and different ways to style it. All of these are on a stretch cording, and that gives that gives you a little leeway with them. No clasps. I've had it with things with clasp. I can't get them on. My little digits are stiff. So something that you can just hang around your neck or, wrap around your wrist is just such fun. This is another one. I like this crystal-y bead. I think that was a Swarovski, I can't say that word, crystal. I did use some pretty little diamond-et spacers right here. I thought that those were fun as well. This is, I know this is plastic, but it just seemed to kind of go with those lava stones, which I've learned a bit about lava stones. It's basalt. Somebody correct me. And I think that it's just such a beautiful and interesting stone. It represents fire and earth. And if you're thinking of that's everybody, right? So there's part of us that's fiery. There's part of us that's very grounded. But we all kind of incorporate those things. And this one had a blue skull on it, which I really did like. I thought that's a little nod to Halloween coming up. Again, you can wear it long, right? And you can double it, wear it like that, depending on the size of your neck. Might be a choker, might be like, you could arrange it like this, maybe like that. I have a wee tiny neck, so anyway, and you could quadruple it and wear it as a bracelet. I like the skull. I think it's cool. Alright guys, these are going out to my pal Miss P. Pal, not gal. Miss P. Private joke. So consider, even if you don't purchase from me, purchase from somebody who makes stuff and makes it in the United States. And, just be mindful this holiday season. I'm always encouraging people to be mindful with their gifts. I'm expecting some USA-made creator gifts tomorrow, so we may do a little unboxing tomorrow for these particular things. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. Oh, so I've got 1,500 videos over at the YouTube, as my mama used to call it. In the past 10 months, I've made $95 from YouTube. This is ridiculous, and it speaks to the nature of creativity at the moment. That's okay. It's all right. But if you could spare some time and put some of my videos on, like in the background when you're doing something else, I would really appreciate it, because it's nice to get $100 in a year. Honestly, it really is. As a person who is semi-retired, then it's very, very nice for things like that. All right, guys, thank you for hanging out with me today, and we will talk soon. Take care. Bye.